Before you invest in a printing system, you want to see it in action. During this short demonstration, I'll walk you through all the important aspects of the new OCE Plotwave350 printing system, compared to another system available in the same segment, the KIP 7100. The KIP 7100 is a two-roll monochrome system including color scanner on the top, a big touch screen, and a top delivery tray. The speed is 6 A1 or 6 D sizes a minute and has a conventional fusing system. In this video, we will compare the systems on the following subjects: print speed, scanning and copying, media loading, printing from a USB flash drive, toner loading, and workflow. Let's compare the two products in terms of print speed. The same set of files have been submitted to both the KIP 7100 and the OCE Plotwave350. The basic print speeds are comparable between them, both 6A1 or 6D sizes per minute. Energy-efficient OCE radiant fusing technology means the OCE Plotwave350 only heats when you print and takes only 40 seconds to print an A1 or D size from cold sleep. The required warm-up time on the KIP 7100 system means the product takes about 2.5 minutes to warm up and complete the first print. In this time, the OCE Plotwave350 has printed a further 8 A0 or 8 E size documents. With the KIP 7100, you have to choose to keep the machine heated to allow fast first print, using a lot more energy. When a system is being used intermittently, this warm-up time can really delay the print output. The KIP 7100 system relies on traditional xerography, which uses more power and emits greater heat and ozone emissions. The OCE Plotwave350 has an intuitive user interface with predetermined scan and copy templates, which can be set up according to the user's needs. OCE image logic then automatically enhances the copy or scan quality. The operator can then simply press the green button on the template they would like to use. No time is wasted navigating the menus with complicated settings or in testing quality output. In contrast, the operator of the KIP 7100 has to negotiate various and time-consuming settings, including testing threshold, density, and sharpness settings to get the right quality output. OCE templates and image logic ensures high-quality copy and scan output. Image logic ensures all information is captured and even highlights markups or revisions. It would also clean up old documents by automatically removing background noise and compensating for faded areas or lines. Let's review media loading on the two products. The user on the KIP 7100 does not have a convenient place to change the media. In contrast, the roll can be placed on the drawer of the OCE Plotwave350. To ensure media loading is quick and simple, sensors on the OCE Plotwave350 automatically takes the media and recognizes its size. One button confirms the media selection and the OCE Plotwave350 is ready to print. This is compared to a more manual process on the KIP. The operator then has to navigate various menus to get media loaded correctly. At this stage, there is a risk that an inexperienced user might select the wrong media size. Now, how to print from a USB drive. On the OCE Plotwave350, it is simple to print from a USB flash drive by selecting the print files, typing in the number of prints required, and pressing the green button. In contrast, the KIP user has to again navigate the confusing screen, opening different menus and settings. This takes time and can be frustrating for the operator. Although the KIP 7100 does have a touch screen, you need to use a pencil to operate it. As you can see, toner loading on the OCE Plotwave350 is clean and simple. The bottle can easily be inserted and there's no need to follow step-by-step instructions. It can even be done whilst the system is printing. Toner loading on the KIP 7100 is awkward and requires the user to follow step-by-step instructions. The process is also messy, and as you can see, the operator often spills toner over their machine. It's also tricky to get the new toner bottle loaded correctly. Lastly, workflow. The new Windows Printer Driver 2.0 is easy and intuitive to use. Thanks to the Print Preview, you can prevent operator errors and save cost. This driver also supports multi-page documents that you can set up page by page. The easy-to-use templates make daily operation even easier. The driver is also faster. The machine starts printing earlier. The KIP driver has no real print preview functionality, so it is easier to make mistakes. The driver has no multi-page support, and the driver is less efficient, which takes longer to process and to print. So, in conclusion, as you've seen, the OCE Plotwave350 has a number of advantages over the KIP 7100, from faster print output through to easier operation and job submission. In addition, the OCE Plotwave350 is silent in sleep mode, requires less power, emits less heat, and virtually no ozone emissions. Over 90% of the product is made from metal parts, ensuring reliability and durability. The KIP 7100 has long warm-up times, complicated menus, and time-consuming settings. The KIP 7100 emits over 200 times more ozone emissions than the OCE Plotwave350 whilst printing, and even more during its warm-up time. Furthermore, the KIP produces higher levels of heat and noise. The OCE Plotwave350 is the best choice for busy professionals.